guys, welcome back to On The Fly. Back grayling fishing again on the River Test. It's another beautiful morning. Some swans down there. I've already had one grayling so far, so yeah, hopefully pick a few more up. I've got a new rod and reel today. So I've got a Vision Tocker 4-weight and then just a little Sage Spectrum C. Really nice reels, I love these reels. So yeah, let's try and get some grayling. I got one, Oh. There you go guys, it's another grayling. Hey guys, grayling number 2, pretty awesome. Yeah, what a stunning place. Absolutely stunning. I'm in. This is a bigger one. This is a trout, I think. Yeah, nice one. Ah, pulled. Bugger. That was a nice one. It's a trout. Quite a nice one as well. Oh, bloody hell. Can you unclip my net? Right, you might have to net him for me. I'm going to walk him back, yeah? Get to the edge of the bank. Actually, I'll do it. That's okay, I'll do it. I want to get this fish, it's a nice one. Oh, he's pulling. God, it's big. Oh, shit me. Shit me, That's the biggest trout I've ever seen. Okay, you need to net him for me. I'm going to walk him back, yeah? Oh, he's huge. He's huge. He's huge. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. You just want to like scoop him, try not to touch him. That's the biggest trout I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god, my heart. Okay, he's coming. Is he close? Yeah, you can grab him. Grab the line when he gets close. It's a rainbow. Oh my god, Oh my god. Yeah, grab him. Grab the line. I'm coming in. Keep hold of that, Holy crap. I'll get him. Okay, I'll get him, Ooh. Oh my god. That was huge.
He was ginormous.
Oh my god. Oh, I should have played him for longer. Alright guys, that's the end of that session. So a couple of grayling, and we lost that absolutely ginormous rainbow, but they're not in season, so it doesn't really matter anyway. But yeah, a good day, and yeah, we're going to carry on with the grayling fishing. So yeah, I'll see you next time.